What's the meaning of ballgirl? Ballgirl. Ballgirl.
Ballgirl. Ballgirl. A ballgirl is a term used to describe a female player who retrieves balls during a sporting event, such as tennis or baseball. Ballgirls are typically positioned around the court or field to retrieve the balls that go out of bounds or are hit out of play. They are responsible for quickly collecting and returning the balls to the players to ensure the game can continue smoothly. In addition to their practical duties, ballgirls also serve as ambassadors for the sport, often being selected for their excellent athletic ability or personality traits. Overall, ballgirls play an important role in facilitating the smooth running of sports events while promoting the spirit of the game.